Alright guys, we're also going to be doing a hood adjustment. Since the hood is already painted and we're working on the front end, I will be putting that hood on the front end as well. And also in this video, you guys are going to be seeing how I made the rear flooring that I'm going to put the carpet on. I actually used 1x1 square tubing, welded those together. I actually did my fitment, and after I lay that down, I put some basically some plywood over top of that tubing, and then I laid my carpet down real nice and neat. It turned out really good. So let's get into this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, hey, she's looking good, isn't she, so far? Hey, we're about to get into this headliner. I actually wrapped this headliner in that brown vinyl, and I actually got my headliner template from Car Truck Shop. So if you guys need some headliner, you know, go there and they'll take care of you. What I did use, though, I used a 1953 Suburban because they didn't have one for the panel truck, and I actually just, you know, had to remeasure and I made it fit. And I also went to my local metal shop here, and they cut me some 1.5 inch strips that I actually wrapped as well in that vinyl. And you guys will see that. And they do make you know, kits that you can do your whole interior headliner with bows. But I didn't want those type of bows. I just made my own, and it turned out really well. So hope you guys enjoying this video, and if you do, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and also make some comments down below, and I'll make sure to get back with you guys. So without further ado, let's get back into this video. I'm trying to make this headliner. Almost got it. Go up in there. About to wrap my headliner here. There. What's up in there? Finally finished the headliner. Whew, that's a lot. All right, crew, we are reached the end of episode 9 of the 1953 panel truck, The Build. Hey, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. I am having fun, you know, building this truck. I got my little touches that I'm doing to them and stuff, and I think they're turning out really good, guys. So, hey, in episode 10, we're going to start getting into making the door panels. Yes, we're going to do the door panels from scratch. Also, I'm going to show you guys how I did the regulators. So I don't want to give too much away. You guys got to go to episode 10. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me. And like I always tell people, if you got a fast car, truck, and a good cigar, smoke them if you got them. Cigar Man out.